So, good evening all, and hope you're all okay. This year we're back again on the Isle of Lewis, and our holiday accommodation this year is called the Galloway Bungalow, which is based in Sandwick, which is midway between Stornoway and Stornoway Airport. Lovely quiet location. We're a bit concerned maybe that there was a maybe noise from the airport, but honestly we've not heard anything. Not heard a thing. So the airport is actually over there on the other side of that hill, but the number of aircraft coming in and out of Stornoway Airport is few and far between really. So this is the bungalow that we're staying in. But anyway, come on inside, we'll show you around. Hello Mum, you're being videoed again. So this is the main room, sort of open plan kitchen, and huge television. It's huge, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah, huge.
Huge television.
Nice view from the window.
Nice view from the window. Eating space, which we haven't used. All modern conveniences, electric cooker, electric hobs, electric oven, no dishwasher, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way. Microwave, large fridge, medium-sized freezer. Enough anyway for about a week's worth of stuff. So go down here. So we've got one double bedroom
With ensuite.
and bathroom. Bathroom with a walk-in shower. And then in here we've got another double bed. This bedroom's got a television, which I haven't used. And this bedroom's also ensuite with a toilet and a really nice shower. Oh look, there's me. I never noticed that mirror. So this property's got underfloor heating, and it's really quite warm. Quite warm and cosy. So here. There's the view over Sandwick Bay to the point, and over in this direction is the airport, but as I say, we've not heard anything from the airport at all. Either the airport's not working or the double glazing's doing its job. But anyway, we've had a lovely time here, but unfortunately we're on our way back to England tomorrow, so signing off for now, and I'll see you all later.